What if just one glass every morning could warm your hands, boost your energy, and reignite intimacy, even after 60? Sounds too simple, right? But this 7-day ritual has helped thousands feel younger, more connected, and full of life again. In this video, I'll show you exactly what's in the glass, why it works, and how fast you'll feel the change. You don't want to miss a second of this. So before we dive in, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone you care about. And leave a comment if you're ready to feel amazing again. Day 1, the base beet juice boost. Let's start with the heart of this powerful morning ritual, beet juice. Just one small glass, about 4 to 6 ounces, is enough to set the tone for your day, especially after 60. Why beets? These ruby red roots are loaded with something called natural nitrates. When you drink beet juice, your body converts those nitrates into nitric oxide, a compound that helps widen and relax your blood vessels. That means better circulation, improved oxygen delivery, and a noticeable difference in how you feel throughout the day. Many people over 60 struggle with cold hands and feet, fatigue, or even lightheadedness. Often, it's due to poor blood flow. Beet juice addresses that naturally, without drugs or side effects. And here's something else. Beet juice isn't just good for your heart. It's also good for your love life. Better circulation improves sensitivity, stamina, and even how well your body responds to intimacy. You may notice you feel warmer, more energized, and even more confident. Now, don't worry if the taste of beet juice is strong. You can mix it with a bit of water, or chill it overnight so it's easier to sip in the morning. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Make it a gentle habit. This simple red drink helps your blood vessels wake up and your body start the day right. And we're just getting started. Over the next 6 days, we'll build on this with a few small ingredients that transform this drink into a powerhouse for your health, energy, and connection. So tomorrow morning, pour yourself 1 glass of fresh beet juice. Sip it slowly. Feel the warmth and energy begin to flow. It's the first step in a week-long journey to feeling younger, livelier, and more in tune with yourself and your partner. Day 2, add lemon for artery cleansing. Welcome to day 2 of your morning transformation. Yesterday, you began your journey with beet juice, a simple, powerful step toward better circulation. Today, we enhance it with another natural wonder, fresh lemon juice. Why lemon? This bright, zesty fruit does more than add flavor, it helps cleanse your arteries. As we age, plaque can build up in the walls of our blood vessels, slowing down circulation and putting extra strain on the heart. Lemon is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that help break down fats and reduce inflammation in the blood vessels. It's like giving your arteries a fresh rinse every morning. When your arteries are clean, blood flows more freely. This means more oxygen reaches your brain, hands, feet, and yes, even those intimate areas that may not be as responsive as they once were. Many seniors notice improved mental clarity, reduced stiffness, and a surprising return of physical sensation after just a few days of this simple drink. To prepare it, just squeeze half a fresh lemon into your beet juice. Stir well and sip slowly. The tartness of the lemon balances the earthy flavor of the beets, making it more enjoyable. This isn't just about heart health, it's about whole body health. When blood moves freely, everything functions better, your digestion, memory, balance, and mood. And most importantly, your sense of closeness and connection. Today's small addition brings big benefits. Think of it as giving your inner plumbing a gentle flush, preparing your body for vitality and warmth. And the best part? You're doing it naturally, without pills, side effects, or complicated routines. So tomorrow, we'll spice things up even more with an ingredient that warms you from the inside out. But for today, enjoy your upgraded glass with lemon, and feel proud. You're reclaiming your circulation, and your spark, one sip at a time. Day 3, add ginger for circulation. If you often experience cold hands and feet, joint stiffness, or low energy in the morning, ginger can help get your system moving again. But that's not all. Ginger also enhances your intimate health. Better blood flow improves not just physical readiness, but also overall responsiveness and comfort. Many people find that as circulation improves, so does their desire and connection with their partner, making this morning drink about more than just physical health. Here's how to prepare it. Grate about 1/2 teaspoon of fresh ginger, or use a pinch of powdered ginger, and stir it into your beet lemon juice. You can let it sit for a few minutes to infuse before sipping. The warmth you'll feel isn't just the spice, it's your circulation waking up. Ginger also aids digestion and can help reduce bloating or heaviness after meals, making you feel lighter and more energetic throughout the day. It's especially helpful for seniors who may struggle with sluggish digestion. Today's addition turns your morning glass into a 3-ingredient powerhouse, cleaning your arteries, warming your body, and preparing your entire system for energy and closeness. So tomorrow, we'll add something sweet that balances everything beautifully. But for today, feel the warmth of ginger, and notice how your body responds with renewed life and movement. Each sip is another step toward vitality, and it's all starting to add up. Day 4. The secret touch: a teaspoon of honey. You've come a long way. Beet juice for blood flow, lemon for clean arteries, and ginger for warmth. Today, we add something that not only balances the flavor but also adds gentle sweetness and vitality: raw honey. Now, you might be thinking, isn't sugar bad for me? That's a great question, but raw honey is different. In small amounts, it's a natural energy source rich in antioxidants, enzymes, and minerals. For seniors, raw honey supports heart health, balances hormones, and even enhances mood. Just 1 teaspoon stirred into your morning drink transforms it in more ways than one. First, the flavor becomes smoother and more enjoyable. Second, honey helps your body use the nitric oxide from beet juice more effectively. This means better circulation to every corner of your body, including your hands, feet, brain, and yes, your intimate areas. Honey has also been known for centuries as a natural aphrodisiac. It supports testosterone levels in men and estrogen balance in women, both important for maintaining a healthy libido and emotional connection after 60. Combined with better blood flow and relaxation from ginger and lemon, this drink becomes a gentle invitation to intimacy, emotionally and physically. And here's a bonus: honey is also great for digestion and soothing inflammation in the gut. Many seniors who suffer from bloating, indigestion, or irregularity notice a difference when honey becomes a daily habit. To prepare it, simply stir 1 teaspoon of raw, unfiltered honey into your glass. Let it dissolve completely, then sip slowly and mindfully. Let each ingredient work with your body. You're now 4 days in, and your morning ritual has become more than just a drink. It's a tool for transformation. More energy, warmer hands, better sleep, and maybe even a little spark you haven't felt in a while. Tomorrow, we'll take this even further with a simple practice that opens your lungs and quiets your mind. For now, enjoy the sweetness, because you've earned it. Day 5. Sip slowly, breathe deeply, activate your inner calm. By now, your morning glass has become a beautiful ritual: rich beet juice, refreshing lemon, warming ginger, and sweet raw honey. But today, we add something that doesn't go in the glass at all. Today's ingredient is your breath. It may sound simple, but combining deep breathing with your morning drink can powerfully enhance its effects. After 60, many people unknowingly take shallow breaths throughout the day. This limits oxygen, slows circulation, and increases tension, especially in the shoulders, chest, and even in the pelvic area. So here's what to do: before your first sip, pause. Close your eyes if you like, and take 3 deep, slow belly breaths. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 2, and exhale through your mouth for 6. Then, begin sipping your drink, slowly and mindfully. Between sips, breathe again. Why does this matter? Deep breathing expands your lungs, floods your blood with oxygen, and helps your arteries relax even more. When paired with the powerful ingredients in your morning drink, it encourages your blood to circulate freely, nourishing every organ and system, including those connected to intimacy and emotional closeness. This practice also calms your nervous system. It lowers stress hormones like cortisol and signals to your body that it's safe, present, and open. That sense of calm can do wonders, not only for your health but for your relationships. When you're calm, connected breathing becomes a shared rhythm with your partner, creating space for closeness, tenderness, and understanding. You've now built a routine that nourishes your body and spirit. Beet juice for strength, lemon for cleansing, ginger for warmth, honey for sweetness, and breath for peace. Tomorrow, we'll gently move the body to support everything you've done so far. But today, let yourself slow down, breathe deeply, and savor the quiet power of your morning moment. Day 6. Move gently, stretching to boost circulation and confidence. You've nourished your body every morning with a powerful drink, and now, we add one more simple habit that can elevate your results: gentle stretching. Just 5 minutes after finishing your morning glass can make a huge difference in how your blood flows, how your joints feel, and how you carry yourself throughout the day. Why is stretching so important after 60? As we age, circulation can slow down, not just because of arteries but also from a lack of movement. Muscles tighten, joints stiffen, and blood has a harder time flowing freely, especially to the legs, hips, and spine. Stretching opens the body and acts like a pump, encouraging fresh, oxygen-rich blood to reach every corner of your body. And here's where it gets interesting: better blood flow means more warmth, more comfort, and greater confidence, physically and intimately. Flexibility isn't just for athletes. It's for anyone who wants to feel more alive and more in tune with their body. Even in quiet, tender moments. Try this right after you finish your morning drink. Neck rolls to release tension in your shoulders. Arm circles to warm up the upper body. Gentle hip circles or standing leg stretches to loosen the lower half. Toe touches or seated forward bends to open your back and legs. Breathe slowly as you stretch, just like yesterday. Let your body move naturally, no force, just flow. This small routine helps your morning nutrients travel faster through your body. It also lifts your posture, eases joint pain, and even reduces anxiety. You'll begin to feel lighter, steadier, and more confident in how you move and how you interact, yes, even with your partner. Tomorrow is our final step, a day of reflection and connection. But today, feel proud. You've taken charge of your health and energy with something so simple yet so powerful. Day 7. Reflect, reconnect, and reignite your spark. You've done something remarkable. For 7 days, you've honored your body, your health, and your deeper desires, one glass, one breath, one stretch at a time. Today, we pause not to add, but to reflect and celebrate. This morning, as you sip your familiar glass of beet juice blended with lemon, ginger, and honey, let yourself smile. You've given your heart the gift of circulation. You've cleared space in your arteries, awakened your cells with oxygen, and restored warmth to your hands, feet, and most importantly, your connection with yourself and your partner. Many seniors feel like they're slowing down in ways that affect not just their body, but their sense of identity. But this week, you've proven that a new spark can begin at any age. Your energy has grown, your sleep has likely improved. You may feel more in your skin, comfortable, steady, even attractive again. Most importantly, you've taken time each morning to connect with your own body. That quiet, mindful attention builds confidence, and confidence builds intimacy. Whether you're with a partner or on your own, this connection is essential. It's what turns routine into pleasure and habits into healing. Now, what's next? You don't have to stop here. This drink can become your lifelong ritual. You can explore new spices, fruits, or even herbal teas to build upon it. And that 5 minutes of stretching? That can become a morning dance, a walk in the garden, or gentle yoga with your partner. You've started a chain reaction. Healthy circulation leads to better energy, better mood, deeper love, and yes, a revived sense of intimacy. You've shown yourself that small steps bring powerful results. So today, as you take that final sip of the week, give yourself a quiet thank you. Then share this journey. Invite a friend, a partner, or a loved one to try it too. Because vitality isn't something we lose, it's something we rebuild, one beautiful morning at a time. Final day. Thank you for joining me on this 7-day journey to better circulation and renewed intimacy after 60. If you've enjoyed these simple, natural steps, please like, comment, and share this video to help others discover the secret to feeling younger and more connected. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips designed especially for you. What was your favorite part of the routine? Let me know below. Remember, small daily habits can transform your life, so keep sipping, stretching, and breathing your way to vibrant health. Here's to many more energized mornings ahead.